across the play at Walker. He couldn't get it in. Now McMichael speeding in on a breakaway, scores! Connor McMichael! Chychrun, the defenseman's at the net mouth. Carlson scores! John Carlson, a power play goal! Gostisbehere got cross-checked down by Roy. Aho passed it off. It ricochets to Gostisbehere, and he scored! Capitals clear. It's Protas with an empty net. It's blocked by Burns. Wilson scores!